So I'm going to create this bangle which okay, so here I'm missing 3 of the bells because I had only these amount. So I am going to have another pair exactly looking like this, so which I'm going to show you now. So here you can see I have a bangle which is a silver color. I guess you can use any color of your choice, and this bangle is I have is of 3 inches diameter, and here I am using this silver macrame cord. So for the total we're going to use 3 meter, but here I'm having 3 meter in 2 parts, so I'm going to use that. Basically 2 meter will also work, 2 and 10 centimeter will also work. So either you can have 2 and 20 centimeter cord, or you can have 1 and 10 centimeter in 2 parts. Okay, and here I've got 33 metal bells. Okay, what I'm going to do to start now, fold one card into half like this. So here's my middle point, and I'm going to take like this, keeping the bangle in the middle. I am going to make square knot. So basically the cord are going to be the working cord, and the bangle will be my fuller part. So here I'm making macrame knot, or square knot I can say. So here half a square knot is done. I'm just completing the other part. There we go. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I am adding one bell. So every time we're going to have the gap of 1 and half macrame, half square knot. 1, so you can see we have completed 1, and then I have done half. So on the second, add a bell. Okay, so the next one is going to be like this. So here, and I'm now adding the bell, putting the bell through the like this, and then it goes through to create the complete. And make sure that the bell doesn't go out of the knot, because we want it to stay in the middle. So just keep pulling once you, okay, there we go. This is how it's going to adjust itself. That's how we want to be in the on the top like this. So this is how it's going to hang basically. Okay, now I'm going to again create 1.5 square knot, and then I'll add another bell. Okay, so this is how much the gap we're going to have, and every time just create 1.5 square knot and then add the bell. Okay, so here we've reached using 120 centimeter cord, and what now I'm going to do is take again, you can see it is almost halfway, so we're not gonna use all of it, but yeah, I'm taking another one and a half, sorry, 110 centimeter cord, and what I'm doing, I'm not adding from here because we're gonna use both the ends around here and use lighter to squish them. Okay, so here, as you see, we've already left one and a half square knot, and so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just make one like this, and then create and on the first one only I am going to attach the bell so that it is almost there. So you can see here we're almost there. There is a little bigger gap, but it's almost there. Okay, so what we can do, we can just squish a little bit. Okay, and again I'm just going to continue making the same one and a half square knot and then add the bell, and I'm going to continue doing that until the halfway or until the end. Okay, so you can see I have just added another bell, and I'm going to continue making that, and as you know that there will be not enough bells, so I'll just simply keep making it the end. Okay, so here you can see I have completed almost, I'm at the end with the second cord, and here I still have one bell left. What I'm going to do now, just add that, and there will be very less gaps. So what you can do, if you have less bells, probably give a lot more gap than I've given here, so that you can adjust the gap. In this one I have already adjusted the gap so it doesn't look as empty as the first one. And I'm now going to cut all the left cords once I complete the end to the very short, and then I'll be using a fire or the lighter to glue it. And our bangle has been completed, you can see, and it looks really pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like the tutorial, and like, subscribe and share it with your friends. And I think it is, if you're making it for your children, they're going to love it, because mine did. I did make one a golden color with the golden bells. uh, My daughter loved it very much, and hopefully you all like the tutorial. Thank you so much.